Today we're making loaded nacho cups. They're crispy, cheesy, and packed with flavor. Plus they're super customizable, so you can make them your own. Here's what you'll need. Tortilla chips, shredded cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, or your favorite blend. Diced tomatoes, jalapenos, black beans, sour cream, guacamole. Optional, shredded chicken or ground beef. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, grab a muffin tin. Yep, we're using a muffin tin to make perfectly portioned nacho cups. Layer your tortilla chips at the bottom of each cup, then add a spoonful of black beans, followed by your protein of choice if you're using one. Next comes the cheese, and don't be shy with it. Cheese is the star of the show. Top it off with your veggies. You can skip the jalapenos if you're not into spicy, but I love a little kick. Now pop the muffin tin into your preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is bubbly and golden. Look at these beauties, crispy, gooey, and absolutely irresistible. Carefully transfer your nacho cups to a plate and add your favorite toppings. A dollop of sour cream, a spoonful of guacamole, and maybe a sprinkle of fresh cilantro if you're feeling fancy. So good. The perfect mix of crunchy, creamy, and spicy. And there you have it, loaded nacho cups, your new weekend snack obsession. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty recipe vlogs and fun ideas. Until next time, happy snacking.